Guys, I'm super happy today. I'm showing you a tool called Plexens on the Shopify store, right? It's going to help you get your abandoned checkouts sorted and hopefully make you a little bit more money. So guys, let's get straight in. So here's the website, Plexens, all right, Plexens.com. It is a really easy website to get around, right? Quick overview, you've got the Shopify free trial, the top features, price support, and why Plexens, the SMS and email marketing platform built for the Shopify brands, all right? You can actually get started for free or contact them. Like I've talked about in the video, all right, you can build your list at scale, increase store revenue, and improve the customer retention, guys. I'm so in love with this project. It's helping businesses all around the world, okay? All around the world make extra sales by just doing something so simple by getting the abandoned carts on here. Guys, Plexens, if you have not already, please get involved. So guys, click get started for free, okay? And what you're gonna do is add the app. So you're actually adding the app to your Shopify. So simply put in your login details. So again, go with the email. All right, it's really easy. Just type in your email and password, or if you've got it connected through Apple, through Facebook, or through Google, that's absolutely fine as well. If not, just click connect with email, type in your details, and what it's going to do is add Plexens to your Shopify. Now guys, it's super easy. You choose the store that you want it to add to, okay? Once it's added, that means that app will be available for you in there. So now let's click on Shopify. Let's actually go and have a look inside, okay? So we're inside a Plexens app. This is it, okay? Now, if you want to go through all of this, that's absolutely fine. On the left, you see you got SMS campaigns, email flow, counter send, everything like that, okay? We'll open a new tab and actually sign into Shopify itself so you can see what this looks like, all right, with the app integration. It's super cool, guys, all right? So go on Shopify, again, log into that exact same store so you can see the integration. You have to physically add this to every single store that you own. It won't just automatically go onto every single one. No Shopify apps just automatically add to your stores, okay? It's a very easy process. So once we go into this store, you'll see Plexens is going to be there available for us to allow us to start the abandoned shopping regime. Once you're in your store, simply have a look down the left-hand side. All right, you're going to see where it says home orders, products. You want to go to orders, okay, and go to abandoned checkouts. Guys, this is where your abandoned checkouts is going to start working. Go to apps and click on Plexen, okay? Once the Plexens loads up, you're actually loading this from your store. It comes up with this page where you can see all these different abandoned payment, thank you, preferential, abandoned order. Click on the dots on the side and click details. So with the abandoned payment, okay, you can see 1,800 cent and clicks 4,127. Okay, you want to click on the dots on the side and click details. But guys, there's a lot of money in this, right? $6,000 plus that have been abandoned, right? Now guys, this is going to show you. So over 4,000 clicks have happened, sent from 1,800 different wallets. Okay. And as you scroll down, you start to get all the different insights here for what exactly you need. So guys, it's super easy to use. All right, Plexens is great because it's user friendly. It's just simple, click and drop down. So tell me what you thought, family. Hit that link down below, please, and get involved. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, guys. I will see you next time.